Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Zen Innovations, and today I bring for you this very minimalistic laptop setup tour. So practically this is my secondary workbench where I do all of my lightweight stuff, and this is the laptop which I use to edit my videos on the move. And by the way guys, I also have a big heavy duty desktop PC. So if you haven't seen that video, the video will be there up here for you guys. And the setup tour for my desktop PC is in Hindi and English, so you can choose anyone which you like. But today we will be focusing on this laptop based setup tour, which is a very clean, very minimalistic laptop setup, as you can see here. And here is how my laptop looks. So this is an HP Pavilion 15-inch model, but we will come to this later. First we will go to this very nice cute green plant over here, and guys, this is actually a real plant. So if you've been noticing the plants in my videos, I actually have quite a few of these, and I keep on rotating them. So they are out in the sunshine for a few days and then they come here to offer me the company. So these are real plants. Now I have forgotten what these are known as. Maybe these are some variety of Dracaenas. So if there's any plant expert watching this video, do let me know the species and the name of this plant which I have here. And by the way guys, if you are wondering about this the golden thing over here, then this is what I have painted myself. So this is it's not even golden, it is copper based spray paint, and here is how the entire plant variety looks. And you will be finding guide for making this kind of stuff in the description below. It's a very old guide, so it may not be up to today's standards, but yeah, it's a guide after all. And here is how my table looks. Now this table is actually the old Indian kind of, you know, the metal table. And if you've been to India, or if you're from India, then you might have known that these tables are actually not very stable and they keep rocking around. So this is what I have done, and this is my jugaad. Basically it prevents the table from rocking around, and this table is I think somewhere around 25 to 30 years old. So yeah, it's not stable, but it is rock solid. You can say it's very well built, and it has been giving me service all these 25 to 30 years. So this is my table, and to enhance the surface of the table I use this kind of tablecloth. So this is just plain white kind of tablecloth with thick texture. Now I don't remember if this is actually a khadi cloth, you can say, but it does have that handmade kind of thick texture. You can feel it. So it gives a very clean and rich look to this workbench. And over to the right side I come to this lamp. Now this lamp is at least 25 years old, and this is actually from my childhood. My dad brought it for me. And someday it used to be white, so this thing used to be completely white, but as it has aged and the plastic has gone yellow, so here is how it looks. And all this restoration was done around 10 years ago from today. So this is an old school restoration. Even the restoration is pretty old. Before this restoration it used to look entirely white, or you can say slightly yellowish white. And here is how it looks after the restoration. So I have put a little bit of these vinyl strips over here to enhance the look. And by the way, this is purple. It might be looking pink in camera. This is not pink, this is purple. And here is how the lamp looks. So very nice, very lovely lamp, and it offers a very nice glow. So not sharp at all, very soft light effect that you can say. And here we come to the star of the show. And let me show you the kind of base this laptop is sitting on. So this is the Zebronics laptop cooling fan, and this is the largest model. And the links for buying this will be there in description below. And guys, don't buy those laptop cooling fans with those, you know, those tiny itty-bitty fans. Make sure you buy this model which has the largest fan. And I've been using 2 or 3 pieces of this laptop cooling fan on variety of my laptops, and it works nicely. So basically, if you want to buy a laptop cooling fan, buy this one. Otherwise, don't buy it. And here is how the laptop looks. And coming over here, you can see the interface. Now I'll be putting a screenshot for you guys. So I always prefer this kind of look. And this is the theme which I've been following since the Windows XP era. So I've got my dock, I've got my widgets. And originally this laptop was brought somewhere in 2014 or 15, I think. And it did come with Windows 8 pre-installed, but I upgraded the laptop to Windows 7. Yeah, right. The word I use is upgrade. Okay, so this laptop is running Windows 7 currently, and it's a pretty old laptop. So it has AMD A8 processor with 4 cores. The maximum boost clock is 2.4 gigahertz. It comes with DDR3 RAM, which is 4 gigs. And I have installed 2 hard drives in this laptop. So basically these old laptops used to come with a CD drive, and what you could do is actually you could remove that CD drive and you could go with a caddy like this. And this caddy allows you to install a secondary hard drive in your laptop. I don't think this is possible anymore because the modern laptops are not coming with any kind of CD-ROM. So this laptop now has 2 hard drives, both of them in RAID, so that I get very good performance and very good space to back up and create and archive all of my YouTube videos. So this is what I do. And when I need to bring out the heavyweights, I have my desktop PC, but this is what I usually run. And guys, as you might have known that my entire house runs on solar energy, and sometimes I really prefer to have some kind of lightweight, low power consumption unit to work on. So this is the laptop which is running almost entire day, and all the lightweight stuff, for example checking comments, replying to them, simply uploading the YouTube videos, is done on this laptop. And my main editing desktop PC is used only for editing, exporting and rendering the heavyweight files. So this is my lightweight workbench, which I love it because it can run indefinitely on my solar energy setup. Coming to the laptop screen here, so this is the regular 15.6 inch half HD kind of affair, which was pretty common in those days. And now I have put a matte anti-glare screen guard on this, and the buying link for the screen guard will be there in description below. And this is a very nice addition for your eyes. Basically it prevents all kinds of reflections, and as you can see here, there are no reflections from my hand. So this is basically the flash of my camera, and other than that there are no reflections on the screen. So very nice addition for your eyes and for working long hours on the laptop. And here is how the laptop looks from outside. So a basic keyboard, basic mouse. Now I have some dots over here. Let me know in comment section why I have put these dots over here on my laptop. So there are 3 dots here. There are 2 here. Let me know in comments below. And coming to the looks, actually this laptop comes with this granite kind of sparkling black effect, which looks very nice in person, especially if there's a bit of sunshine coming onto the machine. Now I'm not really sure how this is looking on the camera, but to the eyes this effect is very pleasing, and you can see all these sparkles in the bright sunlight. So here is how the setup looks over here, and this is the thing which powers the USB cooling fan, which is underneath the laptop. And here is how the interface looks. And by the way guys, this also comes with a graphics card, but the graphics card has become pretty old, so I cannot actually screen record using this laptop. Well, actually you can. I have made a guide how to screen record without using a graphics card, but I am actually planning to upgrade this laptop, basically go for something better, maybe something like a mid Ryzen based system. And all of that research, all of those links will be waiting in the description below. So basically if you are going to buy a laptop which is in budget, not very expensive, but it still gets the work done, runs a little bit of editing software, a little bit of games, then make sure you check out all of those links below. And by the time guys, if you haven't noticed, there is a bit of bonus waiting for you. So the bonus will be visible when we turn off these extra lights. So let me turn them. Hi plant. So let's turn off these lights. And over here you can notice that the monitor has a kind of backlight glow. You can say this is known as the bias lighting, and the bias lighting is being provided by this very cute little tiny selfie LED over here. Let me turn off more lights so that you get the idea. So here is how the thing looks from a distance, and there's this nice little glow coming from the behind of the monitor, which is very easy on your eyes. And by the way guys, if you want to see the teardown of this little LED selfie flash, the link will be there in description below, or I'll try putting the video over here somewhere. So this little selfie light is what I use for my photography, and when I'm not doing any photography or videography, it stays here behind the monitor and it gives me this very nice soft bias lighting effect, behind the monitor, and here is how it looks. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you have seen my other setup tour, basically my solar system, basically my desktop. So the links for all of them will be in description below. And guys, after this video, do let me know what kind of more setup tours you want to see about my setup. Take care and have a nice day.